UMP ka Congress na Kyrwoh constituency na Kajala Assam Gogoi ula Takraiñ ting yo menteri rang ba Kajala Assam Himanta beswa serma ula tap miaw halo ka jingshah le beiñ Khristan ha ka te Kajala ya kan ye Gogoi lapan pau ha ka ji kandu bat kilap thai kubor han nong ba Shillong ha ka jingwan ban yalap election ka jong ha ka Jala Meghalaya na ka banta ki kartong ka Indian National Congress.
Again, the drama that BJP are doing, I mean, Himanta Biswa Sharma is coming to Assam and saying, no, Christian community is safe. Please ask him what has happened in Majuli. In Majuli, how people preaching the Christian faith have been targeted. How buildings in which the Lord's Prayer is uttered has been targeted. How missionaries from outside who want to discuss Lord Jesus' message, they have been targeted. And they talk about respecting the Christian faith. Not at all. We have all seen the letter that has gone from the superintendent of police to all the districts in which they've been asked to do a survey of only Christian institutions. Why? If you want to do a survey of all religious institutions. Why did you single out only Christian institutions? So clearly, this is the BJP model. You understand, go back into RSS history, go back into what MS Govalkar has said, and he has always, MS Govalkar, he has highlighted the Christian community in his political message. This is a very important election because for the next 5 years, it is not only about the economy of Meghalaya, it is not only about the law and order and the safety of young people and women in Meghalaya. It is also about respecting and protecting and defending our tribal culture, tribal values, and it's mainly to say that Meghalaya will be governed by Meghalaya, not by Dispur and certainly not by Nagpur.
Meghalaya TMC kawan Rakshapi ya kamai kan anda ka TMC kan thau sarkar ka Meghalaya TMC kan penmi lailak teli ki kam hapo kini kisan sinem manwan barkum juru ban ajingera prisa ka belong siajar dikasi benai kata khat arjar dikasi sinem ka barok ki samla ki bampat dan ni ka kam ka jam
hakane ka ap nyau trek urumphang shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat Khristan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
Five commitments na kaseng